Hello, it's Monika, and I hope you have absolutely amazing day. It is time for hashtag FFC Challenge 2023. In December, we're going to create a WV card. For my project today, I'm going to use my Gingerbread Christmas digital collection, and if you like it, I left the links in the description down below. As I told you, in December, we're going to create a WV fancy fold. So if you haven't tried this one yet, this video is for you. First, I'm going to start with a card base. I've got light blue card measuring 7 by 10.5 of an inch. I'm going to score it at 2.5, 5 inches, 7.5 inches, and 10 inches. So this way, I'm going to have the left-hand side for my 5 by 7 inches fancy fold. Now I need the panel measuring 5 by 7 inches. So when these are ready, I'm going to fold and burnish the skull lines, create the flap, and attach those two panels together to give me the card base. Super quick and simple. And this card is going to turn beautifully. So if you've never ever tried this WV fancy fold, I really hope you'll feel inspired and craft along with me. But if you haven't heard about hashtag FFC Challenge 2023, it is hosted by Monika PaperMona. Every single month, we've got a different fancy fold for you. As I told you, December is dedicated to WV Fancy Fold. However, in January, we're going to take a break and we will be back for you on the 5th of February with a different card style. In this collaboration, we've got quite a lot of amazing crafters, including Katarina, Christine, Jenny, Sabine, Kerry, and Emma. Now I've got a white piece of card measuring 4.75 by 6.75 of an inch. So I'm going to have a white border on all those panels. And I only use the scraps from my stash. And I do encourage you to do exactly the same with every single fancy fold. Now I need 4 panels measuring 2.25 by 6.75 of an inch. I'm going to assemble them using my liquid glue because I do have time to maneuver the elements. And if you haven't heard about my 12 days of Christmas, every second day I've got a different fancy fold or pop-up Christmas card for you. So if you'd like to check the previous videos, please have a look at my channel, but also on the 7th of December, I'm going to have another video for you. So stay tuned for that. So as you can see, these are ready. Now we have to decorate the inside. So I've got the panel measuring 4.5 by 6.5 of an inch. I'm going to assemble it using my liquid glue. And when this is ready, then I'm going to need 4 panels to go on the left hand side. And from my gingerbread Christmas collection, which you can get on Buy Me a Coffee website, and I left the link in the description down below, I used that beautiful blue design paper. I've got 4 panels measuring 2 inches by 6.5. Also, in the description down below, you've got links to PaperMona's, Katarina's, Christine's, Jenny's, Sabine's, Kerry's and Emma's amazing tutorials. So please have a look because every single crafter created a slightly different WV fancy fold. That's why I absolutely love this collaboration. So when this is ready, then I need to create 3 panels for the front of a card and I use the same light blue card. So I've got 4 by 8 inches. I'm going to score it at 4 inches, which is exactly half. And then I need two pieces measuring 1 inch by 8 inches. Again, I'm going to score it at 4 inches. And I need to repeat the process. So I've got 1 inch by 8 inches. And I'm going to score it at 4 inches. When these are ready, then you can fold and burnish the skull lines and decorate them. And I think that is such a good idea with fancy folds because you can use all the amazing scraps from your favorite paper collections. So, when this is ready, then decisions how to decorate those panels. And with WV Fancy Fold, it is so easy. So as you can see, for my card, I chose 5 by 7 inches card base. However, you can change the measurements. For my white squares, I've got 3 3/4 of an inch. And when they are ready, then I chose 2 different design papers from my gingerbread Christmas collection because I really wanted to have some contrast. So I chose the light one and the dark one. I really hope if you're going to like them. So these squares measure 3.5 by 3.5 of an inch. Again, I'm going to use my liquid glue to maneuver those elements if I make a mistake. In the description down below, you also have a link to our Facebook group where we share our fancy folds there. So if you would like to try something new, have a look in the description down below. Now I've got 4 panels measuring 3/4 by 3 inches and 3/4. As you can see here, I decided to use a darker design paper with some snowflake gingerbread cookies. How cool is that? How many Christmas cards have you created this year? And have you tried a new fanciful this year? If you haven't, I really hope you'll feel inspired by this video and also videos from Monika, PaperMona, Katarina, Christine, Jenny, Sabine, Kerry, and Emma, who is new to our collaboration. And as I told you, all the information is in the description down below. And we're going to skip January and we will be back for you on the 5th of February. And if you'd like to post any of your fancy folds, you can use our hashtag on social media, FFC Challenge 2023. So this way we can see your beautiful make on YouTube, Facebook, and even Instagram. And when you actually join our Facebook group, you can share your beautiful project there as well. And as it is hashtag FFC Challenge 2023, we started in 2023. But we decided to keep that hashtag because we know when it started and we're going to carry on with different card styles. So as you can see, I started with the top and the bottom panels first. I only put the glue on the left hand side and then I can maneuver it. I really want to make sure it's evenly spaced. Now I can open it and actually put the glue on the other side. So this way every single thing will be evenly spaced. And if you have a grid like I do here, that really makes a difference. So when this is ready, all you can do now is you can decorate the inside a little bit more. And here you can decide if you want to hide the message. And I think this is such a good idea. So I'm going to show you the square I created, which is 4 by 4 inches. And then I've got white square measuring 3 3/4 by 3 3/4. And the design paper is 3.5 by 3.5 of an inch. I'm going to assemble them here. If you want, that is the place to hide a secret message in your Christmas card. And I do encourage you to do it. When this is all done, you will have plenty of space to write your message on the back. And what's really good about this fancy fold, it goes flat in the envelope. And that's exactly what we want for Christmas, right? When this is finished, all I have to do is to add a sentiment. And on Buy Me a Coffee website, I've got 3 sentiments for you, both in English and Polish. So all the links are in the description down below. And if you like Christmas projects, these sentiments are absolutely perfect for you. So now I'm going to cut them to the size I need. I also have the leftover blue cardstock and I'm going to assemble them here. And the cut is going to be complete. So if you haven't tried WV Fanciful, I really hope you'll feel inspired. And don't forget to check all the links in the description down below with the videos from PaperMona, Katarina, Christine, Jenny, Sabine, Kerry, and Emma, who is totally brand new in our collaboration. So say hi to her on her YouTube channel. So what do you think about this card? Do you like it? Please let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget about our hashtag FFC Challenge 2023. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because on the 7th of December I'm going to have a new Christmas card for you and I'm pretty sure you will like it. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting. Bye!